Hey, good afternoon. I hope you're having a great day. It was very quick. However, today would be one of the most alpha jam packed words because I will strike right off the bat. Destra, as you know, there are some big influencers talking about Destra, which is covering both, which is AI narrative and related to GPU cloud computing, and there are a lot of things related with Destra. So I'm pretty bullish on Destra. Apart from Node AI, and today I just came up with a new altcoin called Light Link, which is an LL. It goes by ticker LL, and it's on trading on Bybit as well. And it's EVM layer 2 with having a base of for data. It's having a base of Celestia, and as so that makes it pretty modular, and that's a great one which I found today. And there are rune stones. It's I'm not sure how to buy or this thing because it's not available on exchanges. It's pretty expensive. I went for the Solana runestone runes. I went for Solana runestones and checked out the NFT, and it's around 0.2028 of Bitcoin, which is on Magic Eden. And YAI is like an oracle for AI, but I'm not sure if the team is legit or they can rug pull you, or because but if fully diluted market cap is around 40 million. Just imagine the Pyth, however you pronounce it. Pyth is an oracle with over 5 or 3 billion fully diluted market cap. So, and today there were CSwap on Chainlink is a good buy as of now. Rweave, the technology of Rweave, it's like permanent storage once you buy Rweave. And AI Tech, on AI Tech there was as it's a launch pad with the deflationary tokenomics, it has really good launches. And recently there is one more new launch on AI Tech. I today I looked into this one more. I'm just because this came out because right in front of me, SuiSwap. SuiSwap is on Sui ecosystem, which is distinct. It's pretty not similar to. It's similar to Aptos, which these two emerged from this Facebook. There was called, I think, Libra coin, and the two teams, they are on some Move language. Rust is for Solana, and Solidity is for Ethereum, and I think they are on Move language, if I'm not wrong. And but Sui is having much more active developers community, and a lot of developers focusing on deepin AI, deepin and gaming, where they are more focused on gaming and boasting to be a big ecosystem sooner. And so if you want very cheaper coin on it, which is SuiSwap, SuiSwap, it's on 8 million fully diluted and diluted market cap, where total coins are in circulation. That's what it shows on CoinGecko. And what all real world assets, Zen, XEND, Finance. So mostly people are looking for some new coins, new gems, because most of the YouTubers, they always speak about some coins which everybody speaks, and to call some gems, it's not an easy task. AXGT, Axon DAO, it's a huge one. It's 270 million fully diluted market cap, but market cap is 41 million. It's Accent lawys, AI and biometrics, decentralized science projects, and it's something huge. I don't remember exactly because few days before I went into it. Zybot, because I have Moves Coin, which is a very nice app for health. It's like you download the app and you have the coins staked, and you get based on staking you get different allocations, and accordingly you can burn those calories by buying other burns coins. So I didn't like the maximum yield of these move ecosystem, but it's a ultra low market cap on Bybit, BitGet, big exchanges by Bluezilla project, and Bluezilla has not shown anything yet in the present bull run, and I think moves can so when I have staked these coins, 700,000 coins on moves coins on its for a locking period for till December. They have given me an airdrop of Zybot, which is worth around $300. So it's a free money. So that is some one more good one. Injective is a very good buy today. Right now on 4-hourly chart, on stochastic RSI. KRAV craft coin on the base is it's a controversial one according to me, because I have certain ways of, I don't usually trade meme coins, even though Andy, which is a part of the boys club, because I feel like meme coins, okay, it's a part of culture, it's everybody's gonna, somebody is actually has to lose. So I don't want to participate in something where there is some loss for someone, and it has to be fair and equal. Yeah, I know we are all here to make money, and we sometimes people keep values aside. Would you, in the real world, would you keep your values aside and be someone less classy or less valuable in ethics, basic ethics? So you won't do that. So why take somebody's money? And so I'll expedite my video content. MXM, what is MXM? I forgot. Mixed Mob. I think Mixed Mob is was played by Solana founder, that Raj. So it should be a good one. MBS Monkey Balls is by big Alex Becker and big influencer Crypto Banter, and they are shilling this, and they hold huge stakes in that. So of course it would pump in this final leg of the bull run, which I feel it would be pretty massive. But Bitcoin, this video you will remember, Bitcoin might has a range of, according to my call, is $79,000 to nearly $200,000, or bullish case is around $500,000 based on the Fibonacci retracement. So yeah, and I was going through some cases where there was a meningioma for one patient, and meningioma is a broad base which has a dural tail, which is even the breast metastasis have a similar appearance. So it's a space occupying tumor, mostly in the brain, lesser wing and skull base tumor. As the name goes, it arises from meninges. But most of you, I'm sure you must not be understanding. There is a friend of mine, she's having meningioma. She's an air hostess, and she has a meningioma, but she's doing good. It is regressing in size, and things are pretty okay, because all the cancer patients, cancer is so horrible, all because of either radiations or either your food, genetically modified food products which we are ingesting. What you eat will manifest. And so this video is a cocktail of hello token for this killer whales. It's at a great buy level. It's just 22 million market cap, fully diluted is around 44 million. Good tokenomics, 50% is circulating supply. So, and this token is required even for the games, even for this what do you call this killer whales series by big influencers. It should be, it's similar to Shark Tanks. So it's a great series. And and what else we have? I don't know. Usually after seeing my patients, I had quite energy left to make a video, so I'm here. I don't know my next video when it would be, so I feel like I should share something which should be profitable for you people, and you win, everybody wins, I win. Script network, SCPT is like a TV. STOS, STOS is Stratos is also a decentralized, like layer 0 storage one. They have the mainnet launched already. DEAI, I told you long time before also, it's a great AI project. Precipitate AI is having different options as well, which is on Base and Ethereum. It goes by the ticker RAIN, and it's on just 6 million market cap. Are you kidding me? I think I should see to get in this project, and it's on Base, and so that's a great one. And yeah, that's crazy. Mars protocol on Cosmos ecosystem, where Celestia, I've mentioned Celestia for this light link layer 2, where Celestia is the base, and Celestia is a very famous modular blockchain. I think first or second of its kind. And most of the new upcoming projects are having Celestias, and with Celestia staked, you have airdrops. So Celestia could be the last Celestia, and all the among these projects which I have mentioned, it could be one project which would go for 1000x, and you have $100 invested, you make it around 1000x means $100,000, more than $100,000 if you can easily make, and that is only possible in crypto, not any financial advice, of course. Not any financial assets like gold. You cannot make 1000x. On real estate, you cannot make 1000x. I'm not against these things. Those are safer assets. Anything can go down based on the world financial situation. Two different school of thoughts. One is the market can plummet, and that could bring the Bitcoin as well down. Like it could be the surprise, some black swan events like such, where the market collapses, or because of the inflation and this thing, all the asset class would start pumping, and the cycle keeps going on, and people just expecting the market crashes, and it just goes on and on and on. And because it will be difficult for an average person, because of higher inflation, the buying power of your currency is going down, and because of that, it's difficult for a middle class or a common man to become much more richer. The rich becomes much more rich, because all the stocks or all the assets, commodities, or your cryptos, it would all pump. So it's, after a long time, it's a 14 minutes video. I'm sure it's if there are influencers which are listening, they would get some coins, which would be Corium, ISO 222, because nobody is talking about ISO compliant tokens like Corium blockchain, and real world asset, what was that, real world asset swarm markets, and which is again regulatory compliant. And there was one more real world asset, sologenic. Nobody's talking about it, and I'm sure it would just surprise everyone. And I think all these coins starting from 5 million to 50 million market cap, we should have. I'm not saying nothing is financial advice or health advice or whatever advice. It's for fun and educational, or it's just a banter where I'm sharing my views. Destra, Carrot, Alaska Gold Rush. It's a AAA game. Some people say Alex Becker is the advisor. Cornucopias is another nice, which is related with the Cardano ecosystem. So if in most of the big ecosystems, you should have one coin which is you are maximum bullish on, which venture capitalists or big investors have invested in, and we need to have we have to spread in the basket of things. It shouldn't be too risky, the portfolio, and the repercussions of losses in spite of having good portfolio is very less. The chances are very slim, and there won't be any remorse because there is one more coin, Dogami is it's just going down. It's from 2022. It has a working metaverse. It has a working app where you can raise this NFT as your pet dog, because dog is a theme where all the meme coins, big meme coins, even though Pepe and all these are coming up, but the top meme coins are the dogs. So dog you are having as a pet in a augmented reality as, and Doga, the coin name ticker is DOGA, but the coin is Dogami. And Sandbox, Ubisoft, big partners, Animoca Brands, huge partners, and they have comic books, they have. So I think you need to check out these projects. Ironfish, it's a privacy layer by, I think, LinkedIn person is the, if I'm not wrong. You need to check. Xcur is pretty low. It's NFT marketplace. Neat is something, inscriptions on H bar. So, and regarding Polkadot ecosystem, what do we have in Polkadot? New Cloud, NCDT is used by German government, and it's a cloud computing, and it's still low by 20-30 million market cap, and it's a steal. Ozone Metaverse, Flash token. Flash is a Bitcoin, not layer 2, but it's with deals with the ordinals, NFTs, and on the Bitcoin ecosystem, on the ordinals, related with the ordinals. So if you want some peak PEAQ airdrop, at least a minimum of 50 Crest tokens are required for, you need to be a delegator. Validator is a bigger one, delegator, I'm just confused. So just check it out. And rest other, Trestle is a layer 2 on Celestia, but I'm not sure if it would have that success. It's minus 20 today. OMG, it's where the buying price was. So I think we need to at least add up like $40 of such coins where they are at the bottom, and suddenly 10x 5x would be absolutely possible. So yeah, mostly people say, okay, you should have some safer portfolio where like one more coin, like which is adopted by European governments for quantum Yeah, I I think you heard wrong. It's quantum computer hack resistant. So this blockchain QuantX I've seen on Morales Money in those the coins which are about to move. It's always there. It's always there. It's 130 million market cap. Their Trias is good. Trias is good. There is Arc Block is good, excellent, because this is on Coinbase. Coinbase is one of the biggest markets. US market is the biggest market, and so the exchange is of course the biggest, and where you get a lot of liquidity. And so yeah, what else I could say? To keep things interesting, you need to not say everything. But I'm not sure when I'll be here. I thought like if this goes viral, bacterial, protozoa, whatever, those buzzwords, whatever, all the jargon. But I just want to give a proper content where it should be helpful. That's my profession, to help people and help myself. And we need to not procrastinate. The people who don't try to prosper. Okay, natural calamities, natural reasons are different, but if they, it's not about the happiness. People might be happy in just one loaf of bread. They might be happy. I'm not saying about that thing, but if you need to have higher goal setting, and you have to have similar birds who flock together. So you mean, you know what I mean? So you have to listen to those such podcasts of such people, successful people, and have that kind of investment strategies. And of course, if you procrastinate, you would tend to be redundant. And I don't think we in future generations, if they ask like why didn't you actually succeed, we shouldn't say like, okay, I was arrogant, I was lazy, I was it shouldn't be that. We should give an effort, and this is the proper time. This is a real time where you can invest. You get rich, great. Or else you keep working on it. These are the amazing gems which I've told today. And grape is, I just remember, grape is by Lady of Crypto. She said about the grape. It's a game, multiple games, plays app, grape, OTK. Well, many influencers. These are the famous coins. So yeah, so I'll conclude it for today, and hopefully I'll come back again with some amazing content. Till that time, have a nice time. Peace.